Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ordi or Ordinals, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't matter. We'll cover it. Quite a few of you requested this, and in general, what you see right now is that Ordinals has been quite bullish. Now, before we talk about that, and before we do the in-depth analysis that you deserve, I must say that historically, if you look at Ordi, it's been quite manipulated. All right, and right now, I also think that we're at quite a risky place, all right, because we're quite bullish, all right, and you'll see that on the 4-hour time frame as well. We're getting quite a lot of bullish confirmations, but ultimately we're also at this moment right here between 51.5 and $50. We're at a significant resistance level as well. All right, so sure, we're getting bullish confirmations that might lure you in to actually start longing Ordi, but then at the same point of time, we're at a level that could be the top if this bullish momentum stops. All right, so risky area to trade, risky area to take a long, but also to take a short. So be careful, especially since Ordi historically, as you can see, is quite spiky. Dare I say, manipulated. But all right, let's get right into it. So what we're seeing right now is quite a lot of momentum in the whole Ordinals narrative. You can also see that coins like Sats, and here you can see that, so coins like Sats, but also Rats have been performing as well. But Ordi, by far, with $40 million in volume here as well, is the strongest. And then, like I said, if you look at the technical situation, we have been very bullish. You can see that yesterday morning we got some major buy positions, and like over the course of the morning we saw over 30 million, almost $40 million in positions being opened with a positive CVD. You can also see that we got some spot buys coming in right here. So that's all very positive. And so far that has been up only. All right, we've seen like another $25 million in positions being opened this morning or this night, also with a positive CVD. So a lot of longs are being opened here. And that's also reflected in the technicals where we broke above this orange line, which is the 0.382 fib of this entire move down. So that's a very strong resistance level that we broke above with momentum. So I have to be bullish on Ordi right now, but I do want you to be cautious. All right, I have to tell you that we're going to be bullish, because I don't really see any reason why we would stop being bullish. Now, do I think this can turn around very quickly? Yes. All right. So that's the one thing you need to be prepared for, and also the thing you need to be, well, not afraid for, but you need to realize that it's a possibility. All right. Right now, I would say that if you look at Ordi, and I actually have to change this up a little bit. If you look at Ordi right now, there's basically two major key levels around us. We just got a bullish breakout above $49. That's another key level, but that's not really around us. But that's a bullish confirmation, and with the momentum, that's why I'm telling you I have to be bullish. All right, but if you look at this technically, there's still quite a strong level right here at 51.5, also on the daily time frame. And then the main support level is actually 47.5. That's technically stronger than the 382 fib here we just broke above at 49, and you have the 382 fib there at this moment, which is very, or at least I think it's trustworthy when the market is trending like this. So the best thing to do is to wait for more confirmation. If Ordi actually is able to get a breakout above 51.5 here on the 4-hour time frame, then that bullish confirmation in combination with the moves we've seen and the momentum, then that's enough to assume we're going up to 55 and we're going to be bullish, all right, with a potential of even $60 up here if Bitcoin is also relatively strong. So this is what I think is most likely, this bullish breakout and a continuation, but it's by far best to actually wait for that confirmation, wait for 51.5 to break, because if we're not able to break it and all of a sudden this turns around, which like I said is a possibility, then we can break down below 47.5 before you know it, and then we're down to $43 before you know it as well. So be careful, wait for the confirmation, trade cautiously, lower your position size, and then you should be fine. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.